So one of the major implementation of stack is infix to postfix. We know I will tell you in detail what is infix and what is postfix. So for now you can understand this, like if the operators are present in between, these are operators, okay, and this is operand A, B, C, whatever are our operands, sorry, operands, and plus, minus, whatever are our operators. So when operators are placed in between operands, we call it infix. Okay, so here we have this infix, we have to do postfix evaluation, infix to postfix, not postfix evaluation, sorry. So don't get so much afraid by this. This I have written just in case to take a note of it. It's very easy. You can just have this example. I will tell you. Just read it once. I will read it for you. Add a right parenthesis and the end of expression. Okay. So push the left parenthesis in the stack. Number 3. Scan one by one symbol from left to right. Number 4. If operator found, store it in stack. Number 5. Left parenthesis encountered, push it onto stack. If higher priority in stack incoming, low priority, then low priority is placed in expression. Number 7. If higher priority comes and low priority is in stack, then both are on stack. Same priority, the operator previously staying goes to the expression and incoming stays on the stack. So this priority thing you may find it difficult, but I will say a thing which will make it very, very easy. So now some points which are important. Always incoming operator stays on stack. So for like just a special star, put it on asterisk in your notebook so that you can don't do mistakes. Now next is when right parenthesis comes, delete from stack. So these are some important things, but I will say how it is done. So first things first, I will say this priority thing in a way, it's a funny thing, but let's say when Shah Rukh Khan is sitting here and you go sit, you are a common person, you go and sit next to him. So then he may have a ego problem, and then he may go and go from where he was sitting. So he is a down to earth person, I guess. I know I have seen his videos, but just take any, not Shah Rukh Khan, just take any example and think it like this, like it will help you. Okay, so he will have any person, any celebrity will have a ego problem, like why the hell someone is who is not famous or something is sitting right. Think it like this. So he may have ego, he or she may have ego problem, and he or she may leave the stack. Let's say stack. So or else you are sitting here. Let's say you. So he will go and go away from the stack. You are sitting here, and Shah Rukh Khan comes and sits next to you. So you will be delighted, right? So here some celebrity is coming and sitting. So both of them we will be on stack. Now next, if two priorities, same priorities like plus or plus minus, you know that priority list I have given you already. So priorities and left associativity, right associativity I have already given you. So both are same. So the incoming will stay, but the previously who was there will go out of the stack. So this is something very important. Please remember this. This is the way you don't have to remember this priority table and all. So in a shortcut way you can think it like this, and you can do big expressions. So these are questions are asked in GATE. Okay, so this kind of questions are very commonly asked in GATE. So this is now let's see this example here. So this is our infix expression. So we will do our postfix now. So this will be like stack, and whatever the expression will be evaluated will be written here, the final value. So first put the open parenthesis here, and then when we come see a operand, A is operand here. So A is put in expression, then plus operator will always be in stack, then again open brace B, we encounter B. B is stored here, star. Then C is stored here. Then operand minus. See, I have told you. So this is like a thing like this. This is a celebrity. You are going and sitting beside him or her. So celebrity will have ego problem. He will go out of the stack. So star will be taken from stack and it will be printed here in expression. Okay. So this is up till this is done. Then open brace. Then D. Then this is divide, nothing. Then E is encountered, E is stored. Then this is exponentiation. Okay, so e to the power can be written as E exponential x. So this has higher value than divide. So it was there in videos, previous videos. So please go and check if you have a problem in understanding this. So see, divide and exponentiation. So you are sitting there and some celebrity is coming and sitting beside you. So no ego problem, nothing. Both will stay there as it is. Now we have encountered F. This is F. Okay. So this is F. And now close brace. Whenever close brace is coming, this is very important. So just think it like that. Whenever close brace was coming, put the first top of the stack. See, this is like this. Okay. So divide and then exponentiation. So first top of the stack will be put into expression, deleted from stack and put into expression. So delete this and put it here, and then again delete this, put it here. So this is done. So up till this is our done. Then star, minus and star. See, both this thing is done. So minus is encountered and then star. Some celebrity is coming and sitting beside you, no problem, both are coming there. Then G is encountered, G is done. Then closing brace. So see, so here we have minus and then star. So star will be printed here and then minus. So up till this is done. So next is star. So plus and star. So here you are sitting there and some celebrity is coming and sitting beside you. So no ego problem, nothing. So both will stay as it is there. Then H. H is encountered. Then our final parenthesis is encountered. So star will be popped, then plus will be popped. So this is our final expression. So see, this can also be evaluated from postfix to infix, also can be evaluated. So we will do all these things in videos and much details, because this kind of questions are asked in GATE also. So this is all about infix to postfix.